Welcome to the latest edition of Healthcares by Allied Bioservices. I'm your host, Tim. Now, it's another day and it's yet another cruise line reporting a COVID and gastro double outbreak. Now, this time it was a Princess cruise coming from Queensland through Melbourne and on to Adelaide, and they expect somewhere close to 300 people either got COVID or gastro during the course of that trip. Now, it just shows you yet again that manual disinfection is not an effective way at keeping people safe during the cruise. Now, when everyone disembarks, they can bleach, bomb and disinfect the entire vessel, and that makes it safe for the next set of passengers, but it doesn't help you if you're stuck on that ship for the next 14 days. This is where long-lasting disinfectants are really the key to unlock both better and cleaner air, better smelling environments, and less risk of transmission. We look forward to working with you to stop preventable infections.